Hey there, my name's Keith Meals with On Time Construction Consulting. One of the questions that we get all the time from homeowners is how do I get this renovation or remodeling process started? Is that you? If it is, you definitely want to listen right now. I've got 3 tips for you that are going to make the process a lot easier. So first tip, you want to know what you're doing and why you're doing it. The what you're doing a lot of times is easy. I want to do a kitchen renovation like this one. I want a new kitchen. That's the easy part. The why you're doing it though, that's the part that becomes the key. Because whenever we're talking about why, so what the why is, so we'll go ahead and make decisions the whole way through. We'll help guide everything that we're designing. So when we're talking why, if you're doing a kitchen, there's a couple of different reasons you might be doing it. Maybe you love to entertain and you love having everybody over to go have a party. For you, this is a show place. So you want something like that. You want big entertainment spaces is what you're looking for. That's a different design than the person who is going to be cooking in it every day. Just want something very, very functional for them. So it makes a lot of sense. So when you know why you're doing that piece, your professionals are able to help guide and create exactly what you're looking for. All right. Secondly, so one of the big things that you go ahead and look at, so is what's most important. So in your list, a lot of times homeowners come, so, and they've got all kinds of different ideas of things that they can go ahead and do. When you narrow down exactly what you want, and they're the most important pieces, so literally take them and prioritize on A, B, C, D. So A is the most important thing, no matter what, that has to happen in this project. I had a homeowner when we did a renovation, she had a big column. So it was going through the middle of her kitchen. Getting rid of the column was the entire reason for doing the project. The design team who was working with her put a column in her revised blueprints. So literally she didn't know what to do with herself. She was beside herself about that. That's whenever I picked up in the process. That's whenever she brought me on the team. We went ahead and took care of that. When everybody knows exactly why or what you're doing, what the main driver is behind it, so they're able to go ahead and take care of that. And finally, the third piece, so which is the piece that most people don't ever want to do, so is they don't want to share their budget. So they figure I've got to hold that close because if I go ahead and tell them that I've got a $50,000 budget, they're going to go to the $50,000 budget. Well, here's where the challenge comes in. If you don't say anything, and all the things you described, create a $50,000 project where your budget was $20,000, the only thing you're going to be is disappointed at that point. Tell them it's a $20,000 budget. That way things can be designed to get exactly what you're looking for. And that's where we want the whole process. When you do a renovation, so you want to get the end result. And that's what we're here for. One of the things that we've done to help make this easier for you, so is we've created our 5-day Remodeling Made Easy challenge. So what that does for you is it creates a remodeling roadmap. So that remodeling roadmap, when we're clear on everything that you're going to be doing in your home, you take that then to your contractors that we talking to. You take that to your architect. You take that to your designer. When this is all spelled out for exactly how it's going to play out, the whole job is much easier. And most importantly, so it gets the result you want while saving you a ton. And when I say a ton, I'm talking thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars on your project. So that's important. We want to make sure that money stays in your pocket. So make sure to go to our Remodeling Made Easy challenge. It's remodelingmadeeasy.com. So go there now and get signed up for our next remodeling challenge. So that's coming up very, very soon. Make sure you do that now. So again, remodelingmadeeasy.com. So make sure you go there, get signed up. We'll see you at the challenge. It's going to be a lot of fun.